Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back. So today I'm back with another one. As you can see here, I've got an Ottoman that sadly is broken, and the culprit is my dear son. He was jumping on this thing and he broke it over here. So now I'm gonna attempt to fix it. So I'm gonna take this apart and then we'll go from there. Let's go. So from what I can tell, seems like this material came off the edge over here. So it seemed like it was stapled up here, and it's what was holding the whole thing together. So when my son jumped, he must have knocked it loose over here. Um, that side is still good. The bottom is still good. So it's pretty much this side and up here. I've decided I can take the easy way or the right way. Guess what? I'm taking the right way. And what that entails is just removing this whole cover, removing all of it from the top, and fixing this back well where it's supposed to be, which is under this piece of wood over here. All right, now we're ready for the next step. As you can see, I've removed all the staples from the edge. Now let's remove the cover and start fixing this thing. So this is what we need to put back. See how it looks over there? We need to put it back all the way around. Here's my staple gun, Stanley. I got some staples here. It says light duty, 3/8 of an inch or 10 millimeters. And let's do this. So it's done. You can see, perfect.